Not seem as the serious type quite often. However, at this moment, right here, right now, I'd like to empty my heart out in a brief way. I stand here in front of all the people who contributed in finding myself and also my way. I'm proud to refer these four walls as my home and family. Thank you a million times indeed. Lastly, dear classmates, the moment we throw our caps in the air in our gowns, we shall say we did it our way. Sincerely, your future economists.
Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows. Today is officially our last gathering at school. It is the endpoint of million memories, thousand silly jokes, and countless laughters. I can't find words to describe the journey of 7 years, filled with so many ups and downs, great memories, and life lessons. I'll take this moment as an opportunity to thank my worthy teachers who are the main reason why we reached this far. Through their continuous support and guidance, they never failed in directing our knowledge and shaping our futures. To all my friends who were more than classmates, for everything we shared, every chance we had to grow, I promise to carry the best of them with me in every step I take. There are definitely things which we don't want them to happen, but have to accept, and people we can't live without, but have to let go. I know it feels like we're saying goodbye, but we will forever carry a memory of each other in our hearts. So until the next time we gather, my dear friends, farewell for now. Thank you.